Hey guys, just wanted to drop a line, let you know that I made pretty phenomenal progress here in the last couple of weeks. I started making a window buck for the basement wall, for that window there, and I measured 3 times, and I cut once and it was still wrong. But let me show you some progress. There's my window buck. That sleeve right there is for the sump pump. Had a big problem. Guys were here moving the forms. He wanted to disconnect that for some reason. When he did that, it triggered the sump. That was disconnected. Water went all over that clay, and I got a huge clay ball down there that's got to come out. It probably doesn't look that big on camera, and it squashed my clay tile, but that stuff is heavy. I had to retrench this to get my tile in, and of course they had to pull it up, and I'm not certain it's going to fit now. The guys are putting up the forms, and they must have busted my Forma-Drain there. I'm not real happy about that. I took a spare piece of Forma-Drain and I cut an L shape, and I had some vinyl glue. I'm going to try to hit it with some sandpaper, clean it up, and then glue a little patch over it. We'll see. I think it's the oil they used, and I'm just hoping the sun will bleach that out. We'll see. It's been a hell of a lot of work for me. I actually had to dig that sump crock over there.